Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is for a Canon AV-1 SLR 35mm film camera. As you can see, it comes with a Tokina, if I pronounce that right, front lens cap. Not the original lens cap, but it's a lens cap to cover the fantastic condition lens. There is no scratches, no fungus, and no coating loss on this lens. I will test this camera on this video to show you that the camera is fully working. I shall place a battery in the battery compartment. As you can see, there's no corrosion, no rust or anything like that. The camera takes a 4SR44 battery. As you will notice, this is just fire perfectly. There's no sign of any Canon cough on the camera. There is also a timer on the camera, which is here. I'll show you this working. There you go. Working perfectly. The ASA speed ring moves with ease. The settings ring moves with ease. The lock is working perfectly. Shutter counter is working perfectly. There is a little tiny bit of paint loss on the rear. The curtains are fantastic, as you will see when I move the film advance lever. There is no gaps in the curtains. The film seal looks in good condition. Most importantly, with these cameras, they do come with a meter inside. And with this one, you can see it's working perfectly. You could also see that the viewfinder is a little bit dirty inside. The mirror is nice and clean and clear. There's no scratches on the mirror. The strap holders are nice and strong, not loose. The mirror bumper is unfortunately missing, but this doesn't make any damage to the mirror at the bottom, as you can see. It still works perfectly. The lens is in fantastic condition. Barrel movement moves lovely and smooth. Comes with a original rear Canon lens cap. And, like I say, a front lens cap. I hope you like what you see. Thank you for watching.